as you have taken your valuable time to stand here. This event is actually, it's a mega event. It's a dream of Orchids, like, you know, calling all the 35 schools across and holding this mega event of sports. It's a sports fest and we have named it Euphoria. So it's a sport fest. Basically all these sports events are going on. It's chess, taekwondo, football, basketball, table tennis. These are the events which we have kept.
To all here, my name is Rishita Katna and I've been modeling and acting since I was 4 years old. I'm about 16 years old now. I myself am a sports person. I've pursued in basketball, skating, swimming, tennis. So I'm very big on taking part in sports. I also learned how to do Bharatanatyam, ballet and Kathak. And I think this is a really nice event that has been put up for the youth out here because today's generation, we are not only just looking after academics, we've opened our fields, looking into extracurriculums, especially in sports. So I think Orchids has done a fabulous job in getting everyone here and giving them an opportunity to come out, present their talents in various sports.
What message would you like to convey young athletes participating in this event?
So through my journey in playing in sports, majorly in basketball, sports teaches you a lot in life, majorly in discipline. Main things that I've learned in my life, such as leadership skills, I've learned through my sport. How do you work with the team together? So to teach this to the youth, to the today's kids at such an early age will definitely help them in their building up their life skills. So sports definitely helps in that, and I think that will be a message to them that do what you want. And today's time, you definitely have schools supporting you, you have your parents supporting you. So I think anyone who would like to pursue any field can definitely go for it and should go for anything they feel like, rather than just sticking themselves to a particular age.
Total Orchids के 100 branches हैं. So in North, we have started now because from last 3 years, this orchid has come in North. So this is the first event we have started. 35 schools हैं across जिनको हमने कॉल करा है, जो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, जिनके बच्चे हैं. Age group is from 6 years to 6 years.
So it's basically from under 8.
First year, yes. First year to 8 year.
अभी वेदर का बड़ा
But inside it's okay. I mean there is no, आप देख रहे होंगे कि अगर आप
पेरेंट्स की बात हम करें तो पेरेंट्स कितना सफिशिएंट है कि नहीं यहाँ पर सबकी एक एक्यूरेसी है और भूमि और वेदर
क्योंकि हमने जो स्पोर्ट्स रखे हैं वो स्पोर्ट्स हैं जो सारे इंडोर्स हैं. यू कैन सी तो पेरेंट्स आर ऑल ओके विद दैट. अगर कहीं पे भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होता, पेरेंट्स हमारे पास जरूर थ्रू मेल या थ्रू व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस हमें इन्फॉर्म करते कि मैम वेदर इज वेरी हॉट. But there is no complaints from the parents as we have kept all the indoor events. Taekwondo हो, table tennis हो, chess हो, ये सारे indoors हैं. So there is no problem in conducting and my exes are all working.
Sports and choice is children and your child. Your choice and children choice. बच्चों की choice में खिलाते हैं या sports में या आप यही होना है.
नहीं यही होना ऐसा नहीं होता है. There is always a choice of children. अब मेरा बच्चा chess नहीं खेलना चाहता, I cannot force him to play chess. No. लेकिन उसके बेसिक रूल्स उसे पता होने चाहिए. ये हम जरूर कराते हैं कि बेसिक्स उसे सारे पता हो, ठीक है. बाकी उसके बाद उसकी चॉइस आती है. इफ सपोज ही वांट्स टू प्ले फुटबॉल, डेफिनेटली ही विल स्विच ओवर टू फुटबॉल. लेकिन बाकी रूल्स उसको सारे पता हो. ही नो हाउ टू प्ले taekwondo, he know how to play table tennis, he know how to play chess. बट उसका इंटरेस्ट कोर एरिया में भी डिफरेंट हो सकता है.
Sir, my question is for you. What strategies do you use to motivate players and build team morale?
So basically, they should be aware of where they're coming from. Strategy is something which comes from internal, intrinsic motivation. If you won't have a map, you won't have a route, you won't have a plan, they won't be able to make any strategy. So if I talk about my own students, they have been trained, brain developed since grassroots. So the strategy starts at grassroots level. You have to make them prepare for a vision, for an aim, for a goal where they're coming or they may be reaching to. If I talk about a student of mine who is the captain of the Indian team now, he is just 19 years of age and he is working with the UP Police as a sub-inspector, which itself is a big achievement for him. belongs to Gurgaon, and he is the first player in the country who has represented World Cup for the first time in the history of basketball. Right. So the vision started when he was at an age or at a grade of 6, when we started thinking about what roadmap you have to follow. So it's all about you have to plan out, you have to work on macro, meso, micro. There are 3 patterns of working wherein you should know where you want to go, how you want to go, and when you want to go. Because if I won't be knowing where is my aim, what is my aim, how I will achieve my aim, I won't be able to be focused or concentrated, right? And as what Rishita has said, I believe discipline is most important factor in any industry. It may be your industry, the media industry, it may be my industry, it may be any industry. Until unless your goals, your areas, your basic amenities are not aligned, I don't think so you won't be able to achieve anything. So strategies are very, very basic. It's just that how you follow your passion. I believe these are the strategies of the world. Also, I believe parents are the key role, and the teachers, the principals, the director of the schools, the chairmen are the vision maker. If they won't provide the path, if they won't provide the area to explore those opportunities, I don't think so the strategies will execute properly. So these are the strategies.
Normally हमारे schools में सारे schools normal like whatever sports is required for a child to play within the school campus that we have. इसके अलावा भी अगर कोई ऐसी चीज आती है in case like you know then we need to really keep that thing also in the priority. वो सिर्फ उस बच्चे के लिए नहीं होगी फिर वो सबके लिए ही होगी क्योंकि सिर्फ वो बच्चा के लिए नहीं है. Like you know sports is always about team. टीम स्पिरिट आती है, डिसिप्लिन आता है, लीडरशिप आती है, अकेला नहीं है. Then yes, then we will plan a strategy for that so that more and more number of students will have that.
हमारे पास so we have 7 sports total here which have been conducted out here, out of which the maximum participation we have received in basketball and football. सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन हमें उसमें मिली. देन उसके बाद हमें सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन मिली वो हमें स्केटिंग में मिली. तो ये 3 स्पोर्ट्स रहे इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन हमें मिली है. एंड इन टोटल देयर आर अराउंड 1000 स्टूडेंट्स non-Orchidians who are not from Orchid school. They have participated in this event as well as around 250 to 300 students from Orchid have participated from our school in the school.
That means almost around 1300 students are there.
इसमें लड़कियों ने कितना लिया और लड़कों ने कितना लिया?
It's an equal participation.
It's an equal, like you know, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि लड़कियाँ अलग है लड़कियाँ अलग है. When it's a school and it's a co-ed school, then they are all students. There's no girl, there's no boy.
इस पार्टिसिपेट में लड़कियाँ जाती हैं या लड़के?
हमारे पास इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन है. लड़कियाँ भी उतनी ही हैं जितने लड़के हैं. Rather लड़कियाँ ही ज़्यादा आती हैं. You know, ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़कियाँ like you know earlier there was a taboo लड़कियाँ फुटबॉल नहीं खेलती. But I have a good football team of girls. So it's not like that.
I believe it feels good that at least there's an area to send your message across to the community, because when you have people like you coming and gathering at one platform and somebody's message has to go across to the community, it feels good at least we can be authentic to send our message across that what are we doing. Reason being, I've seen many schools, many private equities, entities, they always host a tournament which is a paid tournament. As what sir had asked that how different is this tournament than others. I believe Orchid International hosting such an event self-independently on their own cost, taking care of I believe 1,000 plus students for 3 days, taking care of their refreshments, taking care of their discipline, taking care of their safety, security, registering them, keeping each thing in mind and free of cost. You know, being sitting in Gurgaon, it's all commercial. I believe you will agree with me, right? So the vision is very pure of Orchid International. They have been very authentic about it. So yes, it feels great that we can send a message across that what are we here for and what they are doing for the community to bring a change in sports especially. Because everybody is focusing on academics, at least someone took an opportunity to bring a message, to send a message across that sports is important.
तो मेरे हिसाब से सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट है. एवरीबडी नीड्स टू मेक श्योर कि वो अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को एक्टिव रखे, नो मैटर बच्चे हैं बड़े हैं. श्योर पेरेंट्स आर द वन दैट लीड विद एग्जाम्पल. वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि बच्चों को इंकरेज करें फिटनेस की तरफ, ईटिंग हैबिट्स का ख्याल रखें. पेरेंट्स खुद रखेंगे तो बच्चों में वो खुद ही जाती है. दे नीड टू मेक श्योर कि एक अच्छा हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल हो, और स्पेशली विद अ प्रोग्राम लाइक दिस, kids getting encouraged towards sports is actually pretty good. So I think that's it. That is great. Thank you.
का कार्यक्रम है. So इसका उद्देश्य सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि बच्चों में फिजिकल फिटनेस के प्रति जागरूकता, ठीक है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. जो ठीक है नॉर्मली स्कूल के करिकुलम में हो, हम मानते हैं कि बहुत सारे स्कूल्स में देयर इज अ वेटेज विच नॉर्मली स्कूल्स के कहीं पर 18 to 20% का रेशियो रहता है. लाइक 80% टू बी एकेडमिक्स एंड 20% टू बी अदर को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी, जिसमें स्पोर्ट्स भी है, बाकी दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ भी है. लेकिन व्हाट ऑर्किड इज डूइंग इज 50% टू दी स्कॉलरशिप एंड 50% रेस्ट टू दी अदर को स्कॉलरशिप एरियाज, जिसमें हमारा स्पोर्ट्स आ गया, आर्ट्स आ गया, म्यूजिक आ गया, डांस आ गया. देयर आर लॉट मेनी लैब्स. व्हेन यू सी माय structure of Orchid, you will see all the different labs. We have pottery labs, we have textile labs, we have astronomy labs. So these labs are little different, like you know. तो ये हमने रखा इसीलिए कि बच्चे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सीखें. It's not about the academics, it's about the holistic development of a child. Because we are school, we are not a study center or a coaching. So there's a difference between a school and a study center or a coaching areas. In schools, we normally focus on the holistic development of a child. So sports play a very significant role, you know, when we talk about हमारा जो भी physical fitness होगा, हमारा अगर body fit है तो mind भी fit है. Mind fit है then you will be able to focus, right? So sports is really an integral part of the curriculum. It has to be an integral part of the curriculum. What I believe. So इससे यही जाता है मैसेज that yes, आपको स्पोर्ट्स खेलना है और ये करिकुलम का पार्ट होना चाहिए. एंड यू शुड लर्न हाउ टू बी डिसिप्लिन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग वो डिसिप्लिन के सारे रूल्स आप अपने आप से इम्बाइब करने लग जाते हैं, राइट. एंड सोशल स्किल डेवलप होता है बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग टीम, यू आर प्लेइंग इन अ टीम, सो दैट दिस डेवलप्स द सोशल स्किल. एंड व्हेन यू बिकम अ लीडर ऑफ अ टीम, इट डेवलप्स अ लीडरशिप स्किल्स एज वेल. सो स्पोर्ट्स लाइक आपको पूरा ओवरऑल आपको शेप करना है. So it's very important to have sports in the country. Right. और ये मैसेज सब जगह का.